Have you ever been playing a song and you just felt like your left hand wasn't doing enough? Maybe you felt like you could do more with your left hand. In this lesson, we're going to teach you how to borrow from your right hand to make your left hand full. Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Let's take a song. Let's jump into E flat. Let's take a song like Hallelujah, you have won the victory. Very easy song. We're just playing a 6, 7, 1 progression. Then we're going into our 2, 4, 5. That's the basics of the song. If I was to play it like that, that sounds normal. That sounds okay. But maybe you want to add more with your left hand, right? So let's try this method. All right, let me show you what I'm doing. So what I'm doing is I'm playing my 6, and then I'm looking at my right hand to see what notes can I take from it. I can take any note from it and make my left hand sound fuller. So I got an A flat there, I got a C, and I have an E flat. Let's steal the A flat and the C. Okay, that sounds nice, right? Now let's go to our 7. Okay, so this is our chord. Our bases are 7, right? Now let's we can try to steal the B flat, the D, or the F. Let's steal the B flat and the D. Okay, so let's put it all together. That sounds nice, right? Now we can go. We're on the 1. So I can steal from this hand. I can steal the B flat, I can steal the E flat, or even the G. Let's try to steal the B flat and the G and see what that sounds like. That sounds nice. So this is what we're doing. We're taking from our right hand and putting it into our left hand. Let's take another song. Let's go to the key of D flat. I am the God that healeth thee. You know that? I am the Lord, your healer. Very simple progression. We're on the 1. We're playing our D flat major chord, going to the 3. That's an A flat major chord. Going to our 2. That's a G flat major chord. Going to our 5. That's a G flat major chord. Now we're on our 1. All right. So guys, this is a nice, beautiful song. If I was to play it like that, that's fine. There's nothing wrong with it, right? But we can add our method. We can take and borrow from our right hand chord. So let's try it. Okay, we're on the 1, and our chord is this. We have a D flat major chord. So we can take from the D flat, the F, or the A flat. And let's take 2 of them, right? So let's take the A flat and let's take the D flat. And that sounds nice and full. We can even take the A flat and the F. That even sounds nice and full. So we got I am the Lord that healeth. Wow, that works right there. You see what I did? I took my C and the E flat. That healeth thee, right? I am the Lord. Okay, so I went to the 2 and I took the B flat from that chord and I took the G flat from that chord. Put it in my left hand. Now right here I played a power chord. Now this is good to know. Whenever you're on your 5 or your 1, you can play the power chord. That is the 5th note from that note. So if we're on a 5, I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's my power chord. And sometimes you can even add that top note, just your A flat, and you can make it, and it sounds nice. It always sounds nice, right? Then we can go to our 1. There's your power chord for your 1. So that's the 1, 5, and the 1. So guys, if you are loving what you're hearing, I would love it if you go and tell your friends about it. go and tell somebody, share it with somebody. And always remember, you're not just playing the music, you are the music.